heard a beep. There I go. Okay, so I go now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And now for what was her name? Oh,
Hey.
Eddie, shut up, shut up. I'm trying to make the introduction.
Messed it up.
Ed, shut up. Okay, and now for a bunny kicker presentation. Yeah.
What do I do now?
You hit the button at the top.
The button?
The stop one.
The delete?
No,
okay.
no, that's the.
You need help with that?
Go away.
Fine.
Where'd Plunger go? But he's mad. There it is.
Where did you find that?
Over there.
I'm gonna hide this where you can't get it.
Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it?
I put it where you can't get it.
Where's that?
Hawaii.
My Hawaii.
Hawaii. Now we're gonna have to deal with that guy.
Come on.